Hello, classmate and teacher. My name is Daniela Pavon. Step-free speaking activity. Travel itinerary. Introduction of the place. The Tatacoa Desert is one of the most attractive natural settings in Colombia. Its earthy color of ochre and gray captivate the gaze of visitors. It is supreme place where you can appreciate the beauty of tropical dry forest. It is a hilly area are crossed by dry canyons carved out the big rains in winter. The best time to travel are the months of November and December since its climate is the most favorable. In the place you can take a lot exploring the tropical dry forest with the company of the guide who will tell you the history of the place and explain the benefits of each to the plants that exist in the desert. You can also take photos and enjoy the tour. The Tatacoa Desert is a unique place for astronomical observation. Is known as one of the best points to observe the universe. Many people travel from other countries to enjoy this wonderful experience. To the able to stay there are hostels in Villavieja. There are also cabins and special gardens to enjoy nature. But in you are love of the outdoors, there is an area to come and enjoy with your friends or family. Means on transport. The most used means of transport in the Tatacoa Desert are motorcycles, cars, buses. This place is easy accessible. That is why most of the means of transport are right there. Activities to do while along the Ribera Huila. Enjoy the typical foods. Know the culture of the place. Take a tour of the craft. Camping at night in the desert. Take a walk through in the desert. Take a puff a food of the desert tour. Buy typical food to take away. Typical food. The kitchen side Huila cuisine is very varied. Among its typical delicious are the achira cake, curd cake, quesillos, masatos, blanc, huilens, roas, graped with sin plantains, rice pudding, boca chico, wind robin, fried red mojarra, chicken sancocho, among others. Bye!